Are you looking for a way to lower your monthly mortgage payments for the first 2 years, giving you time to refinance when rates come down? At the same time, would you like to experience the ultimate blend of indoor and outdoor living in this spacious Federal Way home that has great potential for multi-generational living? Then this might just be the property for you. This charming home is 3,600 square feet, has 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and the primary bedroom is on the main floor.
This savvy seller understands the current market and has done the math with this, offering a whopping $25,000 to buyers, which would fund a 2-1 temporary rate buy down. This means buyers can get an interest rate 2% lower than market rate for the first year and another 1% lower than the market rate for the second year. So here's some examples of what this would look like. So if you're a conventional 20% down buyer, this would save you roughly $920 a month. So for our FHA buyers putting 3.5% down, it could save them $1,115 per month. And for our wonderful veterans, 0% down buyers, in most cases, you would save roughly $1,160 a month for the first year. This is a really big deal. So call real estate broker Nancy Tebow at 253-797-1449 to schedule a private tour before it's gone. Head to our social media pages to see the property.
Come on.